track prep saga continues. And what am I gonna do? I'm gonna put on my damn diffuser. Look at this sweet Autoform diffuser. Now, I don't know what the retail is on this thing. I think it's like 1,100 bucks or something. I scored this used diffuser for 300 bucks. Facebook Marketplace, you know, you win some, you lose some. But look at this thing, $300. I mean, I hope it does something. You know, Autoform claims it does. I haven't called them to bother them and ask them what their wind tunnel testing or whatever looks like. They're busy, I get it. And I didn't even buy it from them, so why am I going to hassle them? So, throw this thing on here. Pretty excited. I paid 300 bucks for it. I mean, I think it's really going to add some style to the rear end of the Viper. So, let's get that on there. Let's do it. Alrighty. Well, you're going to notice there's 6 bolts here in the bottom of your bumper. 7/16, take those out. They go into this threaded plate here. It's pretty simple. Now, fall off of there. That would suck. Well, okay, come on. Alrighty. Well, put it back up there. Okay. Now, got out. There's the threaded hole. It's fighting me. It's fighting me. Oh no. Okay. It's hitting here. It's too long there. It's hitting right here. So I'm gonna grind that out. And then I noticed the previous owner that installed this thing, they really hogged some of these holes out. Look at that. So I mean that's not gonna work. So I get some big ass washers. See if that helps us out here. It's looking better up here. We're gaining up here. That one's close. Not quite enough. Okay, so this is where we're at. This is where we got it. You know, interesting thing about these Vipers is they are a low production car, and so any aftermarket parts are also very low production. We're running into little fitment issues here. I don't know what it would look like on the ground. I don't know if maybe this gap wouldn't look so bad if it's on the ground. I mean, it's really not that bad if you think about it. I mean, geez. But I'd like to get this a little tighter too. So what I've had to do here so far is, you can't see it there because there's a toe bracket there, but here's been kind of chopping this out so I could push it forward without hitting that, so I can get it tighter back here so it looks better. You know, the tighter I get it here, the better it looks. But now see, there's this huge gap, so we're thinking I could pull these screws out, and now notice there's no holes here for these screws, but I think it would probably be smart for those to use those screws, plus I guess, I don't know, more rigidity is better, right? I don't know. So if I pull these panels out of each side, I could sneak a piece of aluminum up in here with holes in it and put a nut on the back side, and I could put a bolt right here which will draw this down to kind of meet this curve, and also it'll give it some more support back here, because literally how this is designed, it seems like it's just supposed to hang off of the back, but look at that. Look at this. I mean, I don't know how good that's going to be. going around the racetrack or going on the road. I mean, look at this. Some assembly required. Some modifications required. So, like I said, I'm going to pull these bolts, pull these bolts, pull these bolts. Alright, pull all this out, which will give me access to this. And then I think we'll do maybe 1 or 2, I don't know, maybe even 3 bolts here. Now, if I look like hell, that's because, well, we only got a few days till we're ready, till we gotta go racing, and I am not ready. This car gave me some surprises. She's throwing me through a loop here, so it's been one hell of a week. But I don't know. What do my hobbies feel like work? That's a good question. Drill holes and vipers. Gosh. Make it go.
This thing must be thicker than that.
Well, the damn thing isn't really pushing up to the bumper either so good. Ready? Hang on.
Okay. Oh. Okay.
Woohoo! Yeah. Did you get to the nylock?
Oh yeah.
Oh, that's nice! Should I just,
You got a giant fire crash. This motherfucking thing was just about had it.
kind of eyeball it, kind of give her the old, yeah, chisel. Good for you. I can drill the bottom of my battery here. That'd be really good.
You're in, Bob. You're in.
Ooh, fiberglass. That's nice. Good stuff. So, had the father-in-law out here help me out a little bit. Great dude. There's those beautiful bare brakes on there. Boom. Anyway, I don't know if you can see in there. Let's get the light going. Took a piece of aluminum strap there, drilled a through hole, put a nut on there, a big washer, and that helps pull down the body so it has a nice even gap there. Also gives it a little more strength and support here. So I think it'll wiggle a lot less right here. Hopefully not shape the paint up so bad. Got some rubber down here. I wonder what happened there. Weird. But yeah, did both sides. Now I drilled the bottom holes here so that these bolts that hold the wheel liner in will go through the diffuser rather than having the bolt head kind of stuffed between here. That just kind of sucked. I mean, I understand that you don't want bolt heads right here. That actually will, it's not good for aerodynamics. You don't want any kind of rough stuff anywhere near your diffuser, but let's be honest here, this is mostly cosmetic. So I'm just going to try to do it in such a way that it doesn't fall off of my car, because that would really bum me out. So there you go. It's on there. Now you might be wondering yourself, what the hell are you doing, Bob? What's going on? What is that? What is that? Well, no job is done without a little touch-up. See, it's used, so it's got some areas of abuse, right? It's a used part. It doesn't have to be mint, and the rest of the car isn't mint either. But I figured I could just kind of touch up a couple spots on it anyway. So, you know, so the new isn't knocked off it right away. Alright. I don't want to get overspray on my car, so gotta get one of these here and just kind of. Oh, scratch be gone. Look at that, huh? Now we're getting carried away. Yeah, that was pretty good. And then I got a couple spots. Those are gonna get scratched up right away, I know it. And then I know they're gonna get scratched up right away anyway, but screw it, right? What's life without a little whimsy? Then there's some busted up spots at the leading edge there. I can just hit a little bit, huh? And then I know what you're thinking. You're thinking, Bob, that exposed hardware is tacky. So now look at